Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this excellent example of the Swift Attitude. This is a limited edition vehicle that Suzuki have produced. First thing you'll notice is the carbon effect trim at the front, as well as the chrome trim on the grille. The vehicle's in excellent condition, having had just one owner from new. You also got the diamond cut alloys there, again in excellent condition. And you can see the carbon fibre trim is down the side of the vehicle also. Moving towards the rear, you've got tinted privacy glass on three sides, as well as rear spoiler, adding to the sporty looks. And then the carbon effect trim continues around there. This vehicle has a full service history. It's been very well maintained. You've also got 13 months manufacturer's warranty remaining for peace of mind. They are very reliable vehicles, featuring the 1.2 litre engine. Also gives you 50 plus miles to the gallon, so economical too. Take a look inside the vehicle. Like the exterior, it's in great condition. Steering wheel, which is leather trim. You'll find integrated controls for the audio as well as the Bluetooth. In-car entertainment, DAB digital radio, CD player, and you can also stream your own music through the Bluetooth. Underneath that, you've got air conditioning, as well as a handy storage point and USB charging point for your mobile device. The rear of the vehicle, again, excellent condition. Seats three comfortably, good leg room, plenty of storage. So there you have it, this great example of the Swift Attitude. As always here at Luscombe's, the vehicle will come fully prepped and serviced for its new owner. I'd urge you to view our website, where you'll find our technician's appraisal video to give you a better insight into the vehicle's excellent mechanical condition.